is fun. We shouldn't have waited so long to do this. We've got 2 songs to go. And this next song I have never performed. Not since it was recorded. And so, yeah, life looked totally different then. This was a song about my young years and not knowing what the future held. And man, isn't that the truth? We don't know. We just have the day we're in. But as long as we live in the day we're in, don't worry too much about yesterday. Can't go back and fix it. Don't worry about tomorrow. It's got its own troubles.
Yeah.
Everything we need is where we are today. Everything we need is here. We said our promises by candlelight. You held my hands, I was dressed in white. We were young to see that far. We see that far. I knew I wanted you like no one else. I told my mama that I found myself in your eyes. But like your daddy said, the same sun that melts the white in hardened clay, and the same rain that drowns the rat will roll the hay, and the mighty wind that knocks us down if we needed to will drive us. And then I woke you in the dead of night to hold my hands, push away the fright life had come. Can we see that far? The sun, can we see that far? Yeah, we were nervous and a little scared until the music of our baby's cry filled the air. Your daddy said the same sun that melts the wax and hardened clay, and the same rain that drowns the rat will grow the hay, and the mighty wind all. And we're going to end with, this is the last song from the record. And I wrote this walking around the fields at our farm on the day of a gathering that we were having of high school and college kids in our loft. And we had just put out signage everywhere and posters. It was way before social media. And I kept thinking, who's going to show up? This is so crazy. It was going to be like an outdoor youth group. And I just wanted